Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a grocery haul. I spent $138 at Walmart and $66 at Aldi's on all the meats. Majority of the meat is from Aldi's, and then everything else is from Walmart. And this is for 2 weeks for a family of 7. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Okay, so let's start over here. So I got 2 hot dog buns because we already have one in the freezer, and I don't know. I don't think we're gonna need all of these, but we got that. Guys, come. Well, no, I'm gonna have to clean out the pantry first before we stick anything in there. Got 4 loaves of white bread. Hubby picked the bread because I was switching them over to whole wheat.
No more.
They didn't have any more whole wheat? Okay. So this is why white bread is making an appearance. So we got 4 loaves. And usually we go through 2 loaves a week. So 4. What's back here? We got a variety pack of crackers for Jaxson and Destiny's lunches. Then we have buttery rounds for their lunches. We have cheese crackers for Maddie's snack. So these are what Maddie snack on. And then we have this is Destiny's favorite cereal is the crunchy honey oats. And then we have the almond crunchy honey oats back there. And then moving along, we have singles. Madison likes these, but the other kids also use these on sandwiches. And I have a extra sharp cheddar and a sharp cheddar because this is what I snack on. We have 1 thing of eggs because we have 3 cartons inside the refrigerator, so I only got 1. Then we have some peppers. So I got 2 things, 1 for each week. We have Goya red kidney beans. And then we have some lentils right here. We have strawberry jam, preserves, whatever. Jam, whatever, preserve jam. That's so annoying. We got some great northern beans. I need this for a recipe that I'm doing this week. We have jerk seasoning. We have some black pepper. And then we have a thing of tomatoes because I'm making chili this week. Then we have honey barbecue sauce. We have Newman's honey barbecue sauce. I don't know what was up with Rob today with the barbecue sauce. He just went overboard because we usually don't get name brand. So he was feeling himself. That's the reason why the budget went over. And then he got Skippy. Skippy. We don't do Skippy. I'm sure this was like $10. But this has honey in it. So Jackson wanted to try something different. So we were like, why not? You know. I don't know why, but we just figured we're going back to the great value because ain't nobody got time to be buying no Skippy. Anyway, we got some chocolate pudding, some vanilla pudding, and some butterscotch pudding. Everybody likes the vanilla, and I don't know why I don't use that as a cue to buy all vanilla pudding, but whatever. We have some cantina style tortilla chips for our haystack. We have cranberry trail mix for Rob and I, or for everyone basically, because that's the big bag. And then Madison's juices are back here. I just get her the Kool-Aid jammers, and that was $5, I believe. So not bad. This usually it takes her in 2 weeks. Yeah, because she drinks a juice a day. I try to give her water, but she's not feeling well, so try to get liquid in her the best way I can. Tomato ketchup, and I know it has a lot of sugar. You don't have to tell me. I know. We got some tomato ketchup. I don't know where to put that. And then we have this big thing of cabbage. I love cabbage. Where did I leave off? We have some applesauce, strawberry applesauce. The children love these as well. We have some mixed chili beans. I'm making chili this week, so I just got this to go with the red kidney beans down here. I have some chicken broth for when I do crock pot meals. I use this as, you know, just liquid instead of water. We have milk, 2%. Last week or 2 weeks ago, milk was $1.66 or something like that. This week, milk is $3.33. Like, why? Seriously, I'm gonna stop feeding my kids milk because I can't afford milk. Nobody got time. Did milk go up where you live? Because for some reason, I feel like, well, milk went up here. Like, why? A whole $1.50-something milk went up. Or $1.40. We have some kernel corn, mixed vegetable. We have 5-pound bag of mandarin or orange. Yeah, mandarins. Children love these. They don't like apples or any other fruit. It's just this. So I just got this big bag, and this should last us 2 weeks. And then we have plantains. We like to fry these up. They're so good. So delicious. Nice little side for, you know, your everyday meal. We have chickpeas, garbanzo if you may. And we have sweet peas. So I just got 2 things of sweet peas. Banana. Broccoli. Flowerlets. We have 2 things of, what are these? Sweet potato. We have chicken breast. Oh, and we got these from ALDI's because they were $2.98. So it's what, 1 pound. So I got the chicken. I like the chicken. Nobody else seems to like the chicken. I don't know why, but the chicken is really good. And then we got the Black Forest turkey breast. Rob likes this. I don't because of the black stuff. I'm like, oh. So he's gonna try that out. I usually get the other one, the plain one. And then there's sharp cheddar. I only got the small bag this time around because we do have a ton left over from the big bag we purchased 2 weeks ago. And then these are the seasoning that I need for this week. So I'm making chili white chicken in the crock pot, and it called for white beans. So my question is, are white beans the same thing as northern this bean? Are they the same thing? Because I feel like they're white beans. I couldn't find anything that said white beans, so I just got that. And then you need chicken breasts and just this thing, 1 can of white beans. That's all I call for. So I'm gonna make this in the crock pot this week. I'm excited. And then chili, hot chili, and then that called for 1 can of kidney beans, which I got this guy for. And then I got red beans right there. And then we have, what else? 1 can of diced tomato. So I got this big guy right here, which has the basil and everything. So, and then I have cheese for the topping, and I think that's gonna be bomb. I think I'm gonna make 1 meal. I think I'm gonna make the chili this week and then the chicken next week. That way, you know, kind of switch it up. Have some sour cream, big thing of sour cream. We still have half of this left, but we go through a ton of sour cream because we do a lot of haystacks. We have some brown rice. We have 2 things of brown rice in the thing. We haven't been eating a ton of rice, so yeah, we just got 1. We have some cauliflower, and I like to use this as rice now. So we'll just cook it and mash it up, and it's so good. It's so good. We got this big thing of French vanilla because we're going through a ton of creamer, so we figured, why not just get the big one? And yeah, so we got this big guy. This is gonna last us forever. Got waffles for Maddie for breakfast in the morning because she's not a breakfast person, and I'm trying to get her to eat more breakfast, even though she do eat breakfast at school because she goes to preschool now. So she do eat breakfast at school, but I try to feed her before I leave here because at school they don't, you know, insist that she eats her breakfast. They just say, oh, she had a bite of this, and no. So I try to make sure that I feed her before she leaves here in the morning. I have French toast sticks for the other kids, Jaxson and Destiny, because they do eat breakfast here, and then the 2 other kids eat breakfast at school. So we have sweet Vidalia onion. I'm getting better with that pronunciation. Vidalia, sweet Vidalia onion dressing. Love this thing. This and this paired together, it's like heaven for me trying to lose weight. And we have mayonnaise. This is the one with the olive oil. We have a thing of cookies and cream. Pop-Tart, not the greatest thing, but hey. Chewy variety pack granola bar for the children's lunches. 2 bell pepper, green bell pepper, because I do a ton of fajita, chicken fajita, so I need a bunch of those. And then, not a bunch, but 2. 1 for each week. Last year, I had tomatoes. I didn't have the Romano. They had them, but it didn't look so good, so I just picked up this bag. And then, of course, you know, this is a staple in our household. It's the tricolor coleslaw. I use this to make salads, and it's the bomb. So I use this, then some cheese, and then put chicken over it. So good. So I got 4, 2 for each week. And then we have some classic coleslaw. I just make salad out of that. So this is 1 week. So this is 3 sides. And 3 sides for 1 week. And then of course chili that. So I cook 4 meals per week. So I cook 8 times for 2 weeks. So this is 3 sides. And then I'm doing chili. So that's 4, because with the chili you don't need anything. You just, you know, you don't have to pair it with a side. We have some hot dogs. We have the hot dogs. Then we have ground beef, 2 things of ground beef, 1 for each week. And then I got some chicken breast. This was 50% off because the other one that I bought was too thick. It was just too big. So I got, you know, so this is 2 for each week. And then chicken thighs. We got this from Walmart. It was $6.16. And this is the same thing as this, but there's no bone in here. This one you have to debone it and take the skin off and clean it, and it's a lot. But for the price, you can't complain because it's fairly inexpensive. And then another one of this. So Rob cooks on the weekends. So there's 4 meals in 2 weeks that he's in charge of. So some of these are his. And then we got chicken leg quarters, chicken drumstick, and another leg quarter right there. And that's it, guys. That's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure you stay tuned for a pantry organization and refrigerator. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.